Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to change screen refresh rate and activate 120 Hz smooth mode on your POCO X6 Pro. What we're gonna need to do is go into the settings, press on the gear icon, and there we need to go to the display and brightness here, and we need to go to the refresh rate here. And here you have two options, default and custom. Default means it will automatically adjust based on the situation to save battery. And if you would like to get the smoothest screen quality, you can press on the custom like this and choose 120 Hz like this. And also here you can see the apps which use a high refresh rate and decide whether it's necessarily for you or not. And you are able to disable these features by using the toggle switches like this, just by pressing on it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.